Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll be turning this into this. So you can all see how dirty all of this is, and we'll be cleaning it up today. And in order to achieve that, we'll be using this automotive soap, some trash can bags, a brush, simple sponge, this thingy and kitchen roll. Safety first guys, and we'll be disconnecting our battery. So what I think I'm going to be doing is disconnecting all the injectors, then taping them off. As for the cables, I'll be putting them into a bag. I will also be replacing this expansion tank and the cap, so we'll need to drain the cooling fluid. I've already made my water and soap solution. I made it pretty strong, so that's why I'm using gloves. I would advise you to do so as well. So now we can start soaking things up a little bit. So guys, I'll be coming to the point where I change the expansion tank. I'll need to disconnect some hoses, one right here, which is going to the thermostat, and the other one which is feeding the turbo. Inside of this tank is full of crap. I'm so glad I've decided to change it. You guys see that? This is completely breaking apart. You need to just connect the coolant level sensor. This one right here goes into the small hole. You push, you push, you push. I'd recommend you to always order a new cap as well, expansion tank cap. And I have also ordered this hose right here, which is going to come in 30 days and costs like 40 euro, which is crazy. Alright guys, I have to be honest, this is not a one-man job. It's way more work than I have expected. Yeah, let's top up some cooling fluid and start putting her together. I didn't mix it up, but don't worry, once you start the car it's all gonna get mixed. Let's start putting her together right now. Go with the injectors, all the charge pipes. Everything is back together. Let's see if she'll start.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
As you guys saw, I probably half-assed it a bit. It turned out to be way harder than I expected. So I'm quite happy how it turned out. Of course, there are some areas where I'll probably need to disassemble half the engine to clean, but yeah, I'm pretty happy how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Next time we'll see how we change the front and rear brake pads. Thank you. Bye.